In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a meta engagement campaign step by step. This campaign type is perfect if you want to get more likes, comments, shares, followers, or post interactions on your Facebook or Instagram content. So let's get started. First, go to business.facebook.com and open your Ads Manager. Make sure you're working inside the correct ad account that you want to use. Now, click the Create button to start a new campaign. Here you'll see several campaign objectives. Select Engagement as your objective. This tells Meta that your main goal is to encourage people to interact with your content, such as liking, commenting, sharing, or following your page, rather than clicking links or visiting your website. Click Continue. You'll notice Meta gives you two setup options: Recommended Settings, Advantage Plus Engagement Campaign, and Manual Engagement Campaign. Choose the Manual Engagement Campaign option for more control over your audience, placements, and ad settings. Then click Continue to move forward. Now, give your campaign a clear and descriptive name. For example, 11 Plus English and Math Engagement Campaign. Under Campaign Budget, you can choose whether to set your budget at the campaign level or at the ad set level. Setting your budget at the campaign level means Meta will automatically distribute the budget between ad sets to get you the best results. If you prefer full control over how much each ad set spends, you can set the budget at the ad set level. For this example, I'll set the budget at the campaign level and choose a daily or lifetime budget depending on your strategy. Once done, click Next. Now we're inside the ad set level. Rename your ad set with something meaningful. For example, Soli Hull 5 kilometers. Under Conversion Location, you'll see several options, including Message Destination, encourage people to message you on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. On your ad, get likes, comments, shares, and other reactions directly on your ad. Call, get people to call your business directly. Website, send people to your website to take an action there. App, drive engagement or downloads within your app. Facebook page, promote your page for more followers or likes. Since our goal is to increase likes, comments, and shares, I'll select On Your Ad. You can set an end date if you want to for your campaign to stop automatically after a specific time. If you don't set one, it will continue to run until you manually pause it. Now let's define our audience. You can choose from saved audiences, create a new one, or use Advantage Plus Audience if you want Meta to automatically find people likely to engage. Set your location. For cities, the minimum targeting radius is 10 miles. If you want to target a smaller area, you can drop a pin on the map and adjust the radius manually. In my case, I'm targeting a specific area, so I've dropped a pin on the map. I can see my potential reach is around 150,000 people, which is good for my campaign. Since this education service applies to most families, I won't limit the targeting by age or detailed interests, but depending on your product or service, you can refine it by age, gender, or specific interests. If you want full control, switch to the Original Audience option. Next, scroll down to Placements. Keep Advantage Plus placements enabled. Meta will automatically place your ad across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network for best results. If you prefer to control where your ads appear, you can switch to Manual Placements and select or deselect platforms like Instagram Stories, Facebook Feed, or Reels. Once done, click Next to move to the ad level. Now it's time to create your actual ad. Rename your ad with something descriptive, like Image 1, Engagement, November. Under Identity, select your Facebook page and Instagram account that you want the ad to represent. Under Ad Setup, you have two options. Use Existing Post. Select a post that's already published on your page. This is great if you want to boost a post that's performing well organically. Or Create Ad. Upload a new image or video to create a fresh ad. For this tutorial, I'll choose Create Ad. Under Ad Creative, select your format, image or video. I'll select Single Image for this example. Now, upload your creative or choose one from your account's media library. If you have vertical or horizontal versions, upload both for better placement coverage. If not, you can keep the original aspect ratio to avoid unwanted cropping. Next, add your primary text. This is the caption that appears above your ad. Keep it short, friendly, and engaging, something that encourages people to react or comment. Since this is an engagement campaign, I won't use any call to action button. We want the audience to like, comment, or share, not click elsewhere. Review the creative enhancement options that Meta suggests, such as brightness adjustments, text improvements, or automatic variations. If you have strict brand guidelines, you can turn some of these off. Since our goal is engagement on the ad itself, website tracking or Meta Pixel is not required for this campaign. If everything looks good, click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully created your Meta engagement campaign. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.